Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another quick tip to know whether how you can remove or hide recently open Excel files from showing up. Well, while working as a freelancer, you do share your screen with your clients when it's needed for training purpose. And when you open a new Excel file, it not just shows the recently opened files but also their locations on the PC, which is not good for privacy purpose. And I want to remove or hide them from being seen by anyone while sharing my screen. So open new Excel file, and here you can see that it not just showing the recently opened files but also their locations. It is for sure an awesome feature to find and open your recent files you're working on, but it's not good when it comes to privacy. So go back to File and right click on one and select Remove from List. It will remove it from the list, but it will take a lot of time to remove all the files one by one. So instead of removing one by one, click on Options and under Advanced tab, find Display. And then just change this number to 0. It will remove or hide the recently opened files. Now click on OK and close the file. And open a new file again. And here you can see that no recently files are showing up anymore. And this is how you can remove or hide recently opened files from showing up. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.